Here are 3 tech updates to get you through your Thursday. We're still a little bit away from an official Meta Quest 3 release, but it seems early review copies have already been spotted out in the wild. In a now leaked video available on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, you can see the Quest 3 device coming in a pretty drab cardboard box with everything they had previously announced back in June. That means the headset they had on display then was a pretty finished product. The device has already cleared the FCC database, so it's ready to be sold, at least in the US. Unfortunately, there has been no leaked footage of the device in use yet, but with the Meta Connect event slated for September 27th, I'm sure we're bound to see some things soon enough. The Meta Quest 3 is supposed to retail for a whopping $500 on release, but as of now, we still haven't had an official release date or even a detailed spec sheet. Let's hope that come the time of Meta's event, we'll know a little bit more about the device they want us to drop so much money for. We have our first official look at Destiny 2's final expansion for the Light and Darkness saga, which was originally set in motion back in 2014. Here's what you need to know. During Destiny 2's annual showcase, the company released the Final Shape, which will place players inside the Traveler as they try to prevent a nefarious cosmic entity known as the Witness from using the Traveler's light for disastrous things. The source of this power is located in a destination known as the Pale Heart, which will be Destiny's first linear adventure, or so Bungie says. Other news about the expansion is that players will have access to new Solar, Void, and Arc supers for each class, as well as new exotic weapons. Some of those even include weapons from Destiny 1. Bungie has also promised that it will not drip feed content from the expansion, so you can have full access to its climactic conclusion much faster. The Final Shape is set to be released on February 27th of next year. What are you most excited for that's coming in this latest installment? Let me know in the comments. And finally, I have some tech adjacent news. Taylor Swift has released a new teaser for her Reputation album before the news of 1989 Taylor's version has even gotten cold. She did so in a new Amazon Prime series commercial. The commercial in question was for an upcoming series called The Wilderness, where a woman named Liv, played by Jenna Coleman, plots for revenge against her husband, Oliver Jason Cohen, after she discovered him having an affair. But enough about that. Let's talk about what you're all here for. The 1.5-minute trailer had pretty much each part of Taylor's re-recording of Look What You Made Me Do, which, if you're keeping track, is the second of the snippets we've gotten from the Reputation re-record, with the first being Delicate. When you're listening to the music from the trailer, you can definitely spot some notable differences from the original to this re-record. Definitely some things that are really gonna pop in the Atmos recording when it does come out. It was actually 6 years ago to date that she released the original song. When she did, it was met with a lot of skepticism, including myself, because it was so different from her previous 1989 tracks. It has since been my favorite track of hers to date, and I am here for any teaser she can give me. Speculation is still pretty wild as to when we're gonna get Reputation Taylor's version, or even when she's gonna announce it. One thing is for sure, Taylor already knows, and just like a good mastermind would, has given us all of the pieces. We just need to calm down and tolerate the wait. August is slipping away like a bottle of wine, and October 7th will be here before you know it. That's all I have for now. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back here for some more tech tea.